Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace hood support for 2004 Mercedes C230 Kompressor. It's real easy. This hood support is totally dead. It won't hold up the hood no more. The only tool you need is right here. A little pick or a small screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. And you also going to need this channel locks, and I'll show you why you're gonna need it. Now you gotta lift the hood up, and this is why you're gonna need the channel locks. Clamp it down, make sure it's tight so it won't fall on your head. Okay, there's a clip right here. You just need to pry it out just a little bit. You don't have to take it out, and then pop this out. There's also another clip on the top. Now the top one. Now remember, this side right here that got a little red button is going to be on the driver's side. All you have to do is just push this button and pull the supports out. Like that. Push it again and pull it out. And now you're going to need this part right here to put on a new part. Just unscrew it. Before you put it on, make sure it's the same size, same length. That one looks good. Now just put that in right here, just screw it on. And then put this back. When you put it back, just push the button, the red button. One click. Now push it again. There you go. That's it for this side. Now when you put it on, make sure this side facing out. And see this little hole right here? All you have to do is just push this in, and it'll click. Once it clicks, this means it's in place. And do the top one the same. Now when you put it in, you probably have to lift the hood up just a little bit, because this support right here is slightly longer because due to compression inside the cylinder. So you probably either compress it or lift the hood up and try to pop the top one in. That's it. When you take this off, make sure you have someone to hold up the hood, because one support will not hold the hood up. You need two supports to hold the hood up. So if you're by yourself, you can just take this channel lock off and just lower down your hood, and then go to the other side and put the channel locks on. Make sure you have a little rag to cover it like that, so you won't damage the rod. This side is the same thing on the passenger side. There's a clip right here on the top. There's a clip on the bottom right here. Same like on the driver's side. On the passenger side, it's real easy. All you have to do is just pull it out from the sleeve. That's it. And put the new part on. On the passenger side, I just pop it in, top and the bottom. That's it. Test it out. That's it. Pretty easy. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Peace.